There we go. Hey, we're back. More boxes to open. More stuff to talk about. We got ice and water ready. This is we're gonna do. Oh, we got a little box. Little box of pure therapeutic ketones, which I need right now. So this is gonna be a shake-up and another unboxing, and a lot of computer talk. What do we got? I hope everybody's fine. I got no visitors. I got no special guests. Oh, Fueled by Female. Fueled by Female is here. We got it. All right. That's what I need too. That's a good one. Good. This is perfect for the afternoon when you are, well, actually it's kind of morning, but I need it. But in the afternoon at work when you're just kind of like, oh, this is a good pick-me-up. Especially around probably 1 o'clock is when you need it. So we're back to powder. Somebody's like, you know, you go back and forth. You got your powder, and then, oh, this is pineapple passion fruit. Let's see what pineapple passion fruit is going to be like. Oh, man. Oh, whoa. It flew off. Wait a minute. How was it supposed to happen? What does that mean? Oh, it like self-opened. Okay. Maybe that's a new feature. And it opens. Cool. I didn't lose any product. It's powder. Alright, that's fine. It's fine. I can handle it. Whoa. I overfilled my bottle. It started leaking too. We're going to make it. So if you have any questions about pure therapeutic ketones, this is caffeinated. This has a bunch of stuff in it. I think I've reviewed this before. It's got the stuff. It's got the good stuff. Oh, it's good flavor too. Yeah. Okay, you got it. Good stuff. Now. Good one. So I built this PC, you know this. And this is the case. Now, why I bought the case? Because, I don't know why. Because I probably didn't know what I was doing. But this is one of those things where you're going to learn as you go. And one thing I learned is, this is called an MATX, alright? Motherboards come in ATX, mini ATX, micro ATX. I don't know any of this stuff. IATX. Ooh. So this is a mini ATX. So that kind of locked my motherboard choice into an MATX. No problem. It's a smaller case. The full ATX cases are big. Oh God, how do you do it? Alright, we're gonna figure it out. Okay. Oh, we gotta go sideways. Hold on. I'm struggling. Oh, okay. Whoa. Oh. Alright. We're gonna work. Here it comes. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I've already got a power supply unit. And now the case. Which, like I said, you want to make a decision about the motherboard first. Before you buy the case. I haven't made that decision yet. Whoa. It's real. Whoa, my bottle fell. Oh, I don't know where it is. Oh, that can't be good. Oh, there it is. Oh, bad news bears. Okay. Whoa. Okay, problem. It's a problem. Got it. Whoa. Okay. We did it. Oh my God. Where's my other thing? Alright. Huge effort. Man, this is huge. Oh. Huge effort. Oh. We did it. We did it. Whoa, it's red. The book. See, this is the secret. The guide. Whoa. The guide's everything because the wiring is in here. Oh, it's just neat stuff. The YouTube loves this case, by the way. It's in air. They have you know that they use liquid cooling for chips. I find that incredible and amazing, but we're not going to go liquid cooling with this because I can't even comprehend it. So I'm just going to use an air. This is an air unit. Oh, whoa. They put glass. There's glass now. I guess the idea is there's RBG. They put LEDs in it too. These kids are out of control with this. they're out of control. Okay. And then you have, whoa. Oh, nice. Whoa, you have desk covers that are magnetic. So you gotta let air going through this thing. And the idea, it's washable. So what did it come with? It only came with one fan. Oh no, there's two fans over here. So, okay, so it comes automatically with these fans. And then, you gotta do the things. And this thing all opens up. It all opens up. How's my picture? Okay, you can see everything. So yeah. Alright, power supply unit. You got a fan here. This is gonna be blowing out exhaust. You got a cover here. Oh yeah, the glass just comes off. Ooh, it's tight. And then, there you go. It's like an aquarium. Whoa. Oh yeah, I heard about this. It's got a magnetic plate and a little tray. No one can explain what you do with a tray, which is funny because I guess you can put your you can put things in it. I find that interesting. Kids like this. This is all the kids. Okay. So that is all I know for now. I have to read the book, and I learned how to take this panel off. Motherboard's gonna mount right there. They say you've got plenty of room for your GPU, and it's gonna look cool. And there's RBG in here. So that's pretty much where we're at. We're gonna read the book, and then I'll know more. Yeah. So this is happening. This is good stuff. Spilled my drink. Any questions about anything, especially pure therapeutic ketones, or some of the sources I'm using to build this PC? PC Parts Picker is where I started. Amazon gets involved too. They start making suggestions. PC Builder on YouTube. And then there's others. I might put some links in so you can see who I'm using. Ooh, yeah. And we'll go from there. So thanks for watching. We're going to read the book and get more into this. As I get parts, I'll open them up and show you what's going on. Bye. Talk to you later. Gotta shut it off.